Okay guys, so today I got a package in the mail, this box here. These are all, well not all the seeds, but half the seeds that I purchased off of WestCoastSeeds.com. They are a company based in BC, which is in Canada, and they have a bunch of different types of seeds, and you can get them all year round, and they ship them out to you. They've been a little back ordered this year because of the whole pandemic stuff, so they've been dealing with that, and I ordered this on April 7th, and I just got it today, which is May the 4th, and May the 4th be with you. And so I'm going to show you guys what I got from them. I'm super excited about this. This is the first time purchasing from them, and I'm really hoping that I enjoy them. From the reviews that I read, they're a really good company, so if this is as good, I will probably continue to get some from them every year. How it works is you can get different amounts of seeds from them. So I think there's like 5 different options. The biggest one usually is for like farmers. So if you want like 10,000 of a seed type, then you can get that. But I don't need that many. So I got usually either the first, second, or third, depending on the pricing, because I know I like growing things, so I might as well get a higher amount if I can. So they include your bill of what you get from them first, so that's good. So this is the stuff that came in this order, it looks like. Minus, yeah, and then they keep out whatever they haven't sent yet. So this is all the things that are in this box that I have. So, oh, they keep the prices on it too. Sweet. So one thing for me is oats. They say to use these as cover crops, so I'm going to actually try to grow my own oats. I've been trying to get a hold of a company to wholesale purchase oats from them because the bags of oats that I have to get are gluten-free, and they cost a lot of money, so I wanted to be able to kind of get them in bulk, but they haven't gotten back to me, so I'm going to try to make my own this year. Worst that happens is I get some fertility for my soil, and that's it, but there covers 100 square feet and was $5 for these guys. Oh, I guess I could show you guys inside of the box. This is what the box looks like. They kind of just pile everything in there. So then the other thing that I got was bush beans as well. I got a bunch of different types of beans because I can't eat certain ones, and a lot of packaging doesn't say gluten-free on it, so it makes it really tough. So I just thought this year I might as well just grow all my own stuff and then harvest it and dry it out and have it throughout the year. I also got sage. I got this because I want to try to like sage my house and my mom's house, so we'll see how that goes. I got some dill. This one, I don't know which one this one is. There's 2 different types of dill that I got. I got a pickling dill and then just a regular dill. I also got chives. I already have some, but I thought I might as well try growing some from seed. Dill as well, another type. Oh, this one's Ella certified, and then this other one is the Ducat, which the Ducat, if I remember correctly, is the one that you use for pickling. Oh, and then I got this here, which is a bulk Wildflowers. So I'm trying to make my yard as environmentally friendly as physically possible, and so by doing that, I'm going to replace my front grass with eco lawn instead, moss, and 2 planters, and then I'm thinking along the one fence to put some like cherry bushes or something like that, just so it's also productive. And then across the way, which is the city's land technically, but I have to take care of it, I'm going to turn that into eco lawn as well, and then put some succulents and some hostas or some other shade sort of plant across that way, and then that way I don't have to like mow the lawn and it's also benefiting to the entire area. But this is a blend of 12 species of annuals, perennials, and fine fescues, form a low-growing dense cover that can be used as an alternative to lawn grass. So it'll self-sow and bloom for years, changing from spring through autumn. And this blend only goes 4 to 6 inches tall, and this was $14 for this entire package here. So hopefully that covers where I need it to cover. Next, I got this purple bean. I didn't realize I got this many. There's approximately 335 seeds in here. It's again another low-growing bean, but good for harvesting, eating raw, or I can also use it to freeze throughout. I also got sunflowers. This is one of my favorite here. They are called a Mammoth Sunflower, so they're supposed to get like 12 feet tall, so I'm hoping these work out really well. My sunflowers, I waited too long last year to plant them, so they didn't get as tall as I wanted them to, so hopefully this goes well, and I can't remember how many are in here, but there's quite a few. Then I got summer squash. These ones are yellow squashes, so, yellow zucchini is what you would know them as. If you haven't tried yellow zucchini, it's a lot sweeter than green zucchini. Zucchini I find to be like one of the easiest plants to grow ever, so if you're thinking about starting a garden, I would highly suggest doing any sort of squash, like pumpkins, spaghetti squash, butternut squash, acorn squash, the whole 9 yards. These ones you have to kind of eat right away or blanch them and then freeze them, whereas winter squash, which are the pumpkins in this acorn, spaghetti, butternut, those you can leave on your counter and they last for like ever. One of mine I just ate and it was harvested in September, so about 6 months. And then I can't personally eat tomatoes, but my family can. So I got these pink Bumblebee organic tomatoes. I'll try to put them on the screen or something just to show you guys what they look like. But they're the cute little balls, and they're like a pink red color. So they're different than what you buy in the grocery store. I also bought this caramel crisp popcorn corn seeds. I don't know if you can eat the cob or not, but I bought it purely so that I could make popping corn, and this has 270 seeds. I'll also list the prices on the screen as well for you guys. Reno winter squash. They all have fancy names, but I just call them by what they are. So this one here is an acorn squash, and I can't remember how many I got. 50 seeds in here, and there's a 96% germ rate on them, so that's how many seeds will actually produce a plant for you. My suggestion is if you take a paper towel and you moisten it, and then you put it in a plastic bag with the seeds and let them germinate there and then plant them, you'll kind of know which ones are actually going to produce something, and then you can automatically just throw away the ones that aren't going to do anything for you. So another thing, peas. I also can't eat these, unfortunately. I tried to look for yellow peas so I could grow those because I can eat those ones, but they didn't have any, so I got these purple mist because I just like the color purple, so I just got purple mist. There's a lot of things in here that are purple just purely because I like purple, so I wanted to grow purple versions of them. Next, I got black sesame seeds, purely again because I can't find gluten-free stuff, so that's what I got. I got some peppers. These are Phileas blue ones. They're about this big when they grow. They're just like little tiny things. When they're a blue color, they're spicy, and when they're a red color, they're sweet. So it's kind of like a mixture between a hot pepper and a non-hot pepper. I don't know how well these are going to grow, just purely because they are pepper and they take a while to grow. So I'm going to try a few and see if I can get them. If I can't, I just have to wait till next year. I also got these Hungarian cheese blend peppers as well. Purely got them because I've never tried them before, so I thought I would get some. There's 30 seeds in here. Amaranth, another gluten-free thing. You can make flowers with this. Again, just a challenge to try to grow these. There's 1,500 seeds in here, so something's got to grow. I also got some melons, which look like this, and so those are cantaloupes. Kale, because who doesn't need some kale in their life? It grows really easy. Highly suggest, like lettuce, kale, spinach, iceberg lettuce, those types of things are really easy to grow as well. So if you wanted to grow some easy stuff on your balcony, I would suggest that. I also got these cucumbers. These ones are going to be a little scary for me, purely because there's 5 seeds in here and that's it. So if I screw this up, I screw this up and I don't get cucumbers and I wasted $9. So we'll see. Then I got 2 different types of watermelon. I got the Black Beauty and the Sugar Beauty. So these ones are little tiny, like the tiny ones you would get at a grocery store, and then these ones are closer to the regular size, just not quite as big. I got more cucumbers because there's a ton of different types of cucumbers and you can't find things in the grocery stores, and I just want to try them, so I'll just grow them. This is a Keuka Melon, so it looks like a watermelon, but it's a cucumber, and they're just tiny little things. I also got a Crystal Apple, which is another type of cucumber, but it looks like a Granny Smith apple. They're just smaller. Also got broccoli. We'll see if I have any sort of luck with broccoli. Rosemary. This is a weird package, but rosemary like that. I got catnip because we do have some cats, so I thought I would grow some, and then if there's anybody around who has cats who like catnip, I can also grow some organic catnip for them. I got basil because this is a Siam Queen, I think is how you pronounce it. This is a Thai version of basil, which you can't really find much around here. I got another pack of Wildflowers. I accidentally bought 2. By the time I purchased it, I realized it, but they're behind, so I was like, yeah, we're just not even going to bug them with trying to cancel it. So I got another pack. The difference between this and the other one is the other one has vermiculite in it, which helps to spread out the seeds, whereas that one does not. Oh, this here is a salad blend. So these are flowers that you can actually eat. So those are really, really cool. And I can't wait to try those because I've never eaten a flower before. Should be interesting. I also got tomatillo, which is Aunt Molly's, which are a gooseberry. Another thing that I don't find around here very often, but apparently they last quite a bit in their shells. So I thought that'd be good for like a freezing product throughout the winter. My goal is to kind of be self-sustainable. We'll see how that goes. It's kind of up in the air right now, and getting that started is with the purchasing and stuff like that. But so far it's been good, and I can't complain. So then I also got butternut squash here. So these ones come straight from a package. I also use the ones that come from my vegetables that I buy, and they produce fruit, so I eat them. Then I also got a bunch of quinoa. So I got a mint quinoa, a cherry quinoa, a French vanilla quinoa, and hors de val quinoa. So I got these because I'm trying to reduce my plastic waste, and that's really hard to do when you buy stuff in a store. So I also got purple carrots because purple carrots are really good, actually. I highly suggest, if you haven't tried them, to try them. A multi-blend of cauliflower. Apparently these guys are a little tough because of the different larvae that attach onto them throughout the summer, but I'm going to try. So I should get orange, purple, and green curds that are chock full of vitamins and nutrients. So hopefully those grow for me. I got regular cauliflower because might as well. I got cabbage. I don't really like cabbage, but my mom likes cabbage, and you can make like sauerkraut and stuff with it. So got some of that. Brussels sprouts in just a regular Augustus one, which I think are supposed to get a little bit bigger, as well as Brussels sprouts with kind of red ball sections on them. I got broccoli of one kind. Oh, those are purple broccoli. And then I also got regular broccoli. I got artichokes, which apparently take a year to like establish, so I'm gonna try growing these in a pot and then bringing them inside if they don't grow anything, and then next year I should get a harvest from these, but I'm hoping I have enough time to plant those and still get a harvest this year. I got another type of bean. There's no picture on this one, so I'm not really sure what it looks like, but I'll find the picture for you. I got bush beans, which again, just a small little bean bush. I got dragon tongue version. Those ones are gold rush. And then I got drying beans, which these ones are bellotti. And then I got a bunch of other drying beans, but they're coming in the mail still. So I will show you guys when I get those. And then I got chickpeas because like I want to try growing chickpeas, and we don't have any non-plastic, non-containered stuff. I can't go to bulk bins, so I use, I'm going to try growing these to see. Then these are organic sprouting seeds, which is wheatgrass. So we're going to see about wheatgrass. Apparently it's healthy for you, so I'm going to try it, see if it helps with my body. I also got lentil versions. I'm going to see if these can grow or not. I'm really not sure if they can. If they can't, well, that's kind of crummy, but if they can, I will be very happy. And then, oh, okay, what? I think they, oh, okay, so that, this bulk pack is the little Eco-Lawn grass stuff. This stuff is the stuff that comes with the vermiculite in it. So they're around the same price. So this is $15 for the bag, and it's supposed to provide different flowers for the butterflies and bees in your area. So those are all of the seeds that I got right now. So I'm hoping my other ones come shortly, and then I can show you guys those. So far I'm happy with their service, and really with them being behind a month waiting for these, it wasn't too bad, and they got me everything for the most part which I need here in time to start growing here, and then the rest can kind of wait a little bit. But I will show you guys the other package, make that part 2. I haven't heard back from Geoponics yet, so I will also let you guys know on that still. But so far, I highly suggest West Coast Seeds. Go check them out. I will put a link in the description below, and hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye, guys.